In the first panel, how to access your file manager or any website file manager from your first panel. So this is the first panel, or our UI of first panel. So you can get easily this is when you click the file, you can get easily when you click the file, or you can click the shortcut. From after shortcut you can get easily this file. This file is the file manager of your first panel dashboard. So when you click the file manager is showing everything is from you. So this is the file manager, and this is the WordPress website. So all file of the first panel for this website I can access from here. You can change this editor, coron or config or license or index, everything you can handle from there. There is of content of plugin, everything is here, you can control from here. I hope you can enjoy using the first panel. Thank you.